You'll be surprised to know that even oily skin needs hydration to maintain natural moisture levels and control its shine. Hi, I'm Manisha from Cape of Good Soap, and I will show you yet another way to control excess oil and maintain a matte finish by making a hydrating face pack. To make this hydrating mask, we will need honey. The second thing we will need is the oats powder. We have taken the regular oats and crushed it into a fine powder. The third ingredient is the neem powder. To make the face pack, take a bowl and add about 6 teaspoons of honey. Then add 2 teaspoons of oats powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Mix them well and let it set for about 5 minutes before applying. After 5 minutes, apply it evenly on your face and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, scrub it for a minute in a circular motion and wash it off. Oily skin is sure a problem for many, but it can definitely be dealt with. So make sure you try this DIY and let me know how it worked for your skin. Until then, thanks for watching, stay tuned and stay glamorous.